Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. So back with more basil or herb recipes. I am going to show you how to infuse oil. So you have some basil oil. So here we go, Rebel Canners. Pick your basil early in the morning when it's at the peak of freshness. Wash your basil and let it dry. All right, so I'm going to infuse some oil with herbs, and I have rosemary and I have basil. I'll pack this in here. I don't have a smaller jar. Really should ideally use a smaller jar. And I have wilted this so that it will not have as much water in it, because of course water is your enemy. And of course, you didn't get to see me pouring the extra virgin olive oil into my jar. And I'm going to let that sit for several weeks before I strain it out. And I'll shake it up. And I'm just going to let that infuse in sunlight. It is not the quick method, but I dehydrated my basil and my rosemary for 2 days before putting it in the oil to help cut down on any moisture that might spoil my product. And there you go. If you want more herb recipes and Every Bit Counts challenge recipes, check out those 2 playlists. This recipe makes a great marinade or base to a salad dressing. If you like this recipe, please be sure to check out this one I've done on basil pesto. If you like this video, check out my Every Bit Counts challenge playlist, where I put all my small batch canning recipes.
Like, follow, and share. Turn your notifications on. See you back in another video.